All right, today we will be working on lesson 13-1, which is angle relationships in triangles. This lesson is split into 6 sections. We will cover questions 1 through 4, question 5, question 6, questions 10 through 12, question 13, and example A. Let's go ahead and start by taking a look at our introduction to question 1. It says, the architectural design of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in Cleveland, Ohio, includes triangles. Some of the glass panels on the facade need to be replaced. To cut the glass correctly, angle measures of some of the triangles will need to be determined. Jason owns a glass company, and he will be cutting the glass for the repairs. One of the tools he will use to determine angle measures of the triangles is the Parallel Postulate. Jason cannot remember the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle. He begins by drawing one of the triangles of glass he needs to replace. Draw or trace the triangle below. Well, because that triangle is super small, I am actually going to just draw a triangle on a index card. So, draw myself a triangle. Doesn't matter what it looks like. Okay, I got this triangle, and we're going to go through questions 1 through 4. So I'm going to give you an index card, and I want you to cut out a triangle, and then you're going to tear off each of the corners of the triangle, like it says in number 2. Arrange the corners so that they are adjacent and what is formed. 4. What appears to be true about the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle? Write a conjecture. This is known as the Triangle Sum Theorem. So I'm going to give you about 7 minutes to complete questions 1 through 4. Again, take your index card, cut out a triangle, tear your corners off, and then try to arrange them where they are adjacent and see what is formed. So go ahead. We're going to pause our videos now and do the questions 1 through 4. As you can see here, I have answered questions 3 and 4, but I did actually do question 1. I drew the triangle, I cut it out, I tore off my edges after I numbered them, and then I made sure that they were adjacent. Now remember, adjacent means that they're touching, their sides are touching, and it forms a straight line. Well, we know that the sum of a straight line, or the degree measure of a straight line, is 180 degrees. So the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. On to the next section.